Telling the time. In this video, we are going to be learning how to tell the time. How does knowing the time help us? How does knowing the time help us? Well, we need to know the time to know what part of the day we are in, whether it's morning or afternoon or evening or night. These are the different parts of the day. So when we know the time, we know if we're in the morning, if we're in the afternoon, if we're in the evening, or if we're in the night time. Knowing the time helps us to get to where we're going on time. When we're at school, knowing the time helps us to know what time our lessons begin, and what time our lessons end. When we're at school, knowing the time helps us to know when our break time is. And when we're at school, we need to know what the time is, so we know when our home time is. And there are lots of other ways knowing the time helps us. Can you think of any other ways knowing the time helps us? We can use different types of clocks and watches to tell the time. Look, these are digital clocks and watch. Digital clocks and watches have digital numbers. Can you see the digital numbers? So all of these are digital. These are analog clocks and a watch. Analog clocks have hands. They're not real hands, are they? They're more like arrows. So analog clocks and watches have hands and numbers going around the clock face. Digital, analog. On an analog clock, the hands move this way round. This is called clockwise. So, let's take a look at the parts of a clock. Here is the clock face. The clock face has the numbers 1 to 12 going around it. A clock or a watch has a long hand and a shorter hand. Long hand. This hand we call the minute hand. And the shorter hand we call the hour hand. When the long hand is on 12, we say it's something o'clock. Long hand on 12 means it's something o'clock. When the long hand is on 6, we say it's half past something. Half past. When the long hand is on the 3, we say it is a quarter past something. A quarter past. When the long hand is on the 9, we say it's a quarter to something. A quarter to. We will learn more about these in the coming videos. O'clock, half past, a quarter past, a quarter to. So, in this video, we are going to practice telling the time when it's o'clock. So, when the long hand is on 12, it means it's something o'clock, okay? So I'm going to be asking you, what time is it? Remember, the long hand is on 12, it's something o'clock. So, what time is it here? It is 7 o'clock. The long hand is on 12, that means it's something o'clock. What time is it? It is 10 o'clock. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. What time is it? It is 7 o'clock. Remember, big hand is on 12, it's something o'clock. What time is it? It is 6 o'clock. What time is it? It is 1 o'clock. What time is it? It is 11 o'clock. What time is it? It is 4 o'clock. What time is it now? It is 12 o'clock. Very good. So we practice reading the time or telling the time. O'clock. Now go watch the next video. Half past.